Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to input bulk contacts into your Calilio account. Calilio's Bulk Contact Upload feature helps you save time by importing multiple contacts at once, instead of adding them manually. It's ideal for teams managing large customer lists or migrating from another platform. Here's how to input bulk contacts. Click on Contacts from your Calilio dashboard. Here, you can see an example of how a comma-separated values file would look like. You can download it and then view it to get an idea of how to arrange your data in a file. This is the example you will see. You'll have to arrange your information in the same manner and upload the file by dragging and dropping it in this section. After you added a file, simply click on Upload. Choose the comma-separated file from your computer and click on Upload. Wait for the upload to complete, and your contacts will appear in your list instantly. Calilio automatically maps your CSV fields, such as names, numbers, and emails, making the process quick and accurate. We can also review or edit contacts after import to ensure everything's correct. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your bulk contacts to Calilio. If you have any questions or run into issues during upload, our 24/7 support team is always available through live chat to assist you. Thanks for watching.